My name's Roger Wakefield. I'm the responsible master plumber at Texas Plumber. You know, it's funny, I was managing a restaurant at the age of 16, and a real good friend of mine worked there with me. And he asked me, he said, look, are you gonna do this forever? I told him, I said, look, I've got it made. I'm 16 years old, I'm managing a restaurant. He said, so what happens when you get fired? Who would hire you to manage a restaurant at the age of 16? So he told me about his father, who was a chief plumbing inspector, and his 3 older brothers that were all journeyman plumbers. So I became a plumber, he became a plumber, and now we both own our own plumbing companies. Over the course of time, I moved up through the ranks, foreman, superintendent, all the way up till 2015 when I was director of operations. And I wanted to get out and make sure that there's a better way to do this that's better for the people. It can be better for your employees. It can be better for you. We have a way to put together a better plumbing product and a better system for the end user, the customer, the homeowner. I tell every one of my guys, when you walk in someone's house, you treat it like it's your grandmother's or your mother's. And if that's the way we treat every customer we have, people are gonna find out this is a really good experience. I'm a plumber. And at the end of the day, when I go home, I'm very proud. I look in the mirror and I know that guy has done a lot of things to help people, and he's just a plumber. And that's what I am.